outgrows pine, resists wildfires, and thrives on marginal land. Why aren't we planting Paulownia at scale? This tree that grows 20 feet in a single year won't catch fire until it hits 788 degrees Fahrenheit and reaches harvest size in just 5 years, while oak takes 50. For over 1,000 years, it was the wood of emperors and the symbol of Japanese government. Today, it appears on the 500 yen coin and Japanese passports. But in America, most people have never heard of it. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how America got this so wrong, why other countries are using it as a tool to solve our biggest environmental and economic challenges. Part 1. The imperial tree America never knew. Let me take you back 2,000 years to ancient China, the Han Dynasty, 200 BC. An imperial decree orders the planting of a specific tree around government buildings. The tree is called Paulownia, and its flower becomes the crest of imperial administration itself. The tradition. When a daughter is born to a wealthy family, 3 Paulownia trees are planted in her honor. When she marries, the trees are harvested and carved into her dowry chest. Furniture built to preserve silk and parchment for centuries. Japan's adoption. By 794 AD, Paulownia becomes the wood of the palace itself. The Paulownia flower crest, the kiriman, was the personal seal of the emperor. Feudal warlords fought wars for the right to display it. Today's reality. This same flower appears on the official seal of the Japanese Prime Minister, on Japanese passports, and on the 500 yen coin in circulation right now. The science behind the reverence. Paulownia has the highest strength-to-weight ratio of any wood on Earth. It became the symbol of sovereign power in the most wood-conscious civilization in human history. Part 2. The performance that defies belief. Here's why emperors chose this tree. Growth speed that changes everything. First year, 20 feet tall, not inches, feet. Year 5 to 10, full harvest size. Compare to oak, 40+ years to maturity. You plant it today, you harvest it, not your grandchildren. The phoenix tree advantage. When cut, the root system doesn't die. New shoots emerge in weeks. The Japanese call it the phoenix tree because it regenerates indefinitely from the same root system post-harvest. Engineering marvel. Properties. Weight, 1/3 the weight of oak. Strength, highest strength-to-weight ratio of any known wood. Fire resistance, doesn't ignite until 788 degrees Fahrenheit versus 430 degrees Fahrenheit for average hardwood. Stability, doesn't warp, crack, or split. Drying time, 60 days versus years for dense hardwoods. The climate superpower. 1 acre of mature Paulownia absorbs what 19 cars emit in a year. Twice the carbon sequestration of other tree species. Art 3. The Paulownia income story. Here's where the story gets incredible. 1970s America. Japanese timber executives fly small planes over the eastern United States, searching roadside ditches and forgotten margins. They're looking for wild Paulownia that Americans treat as weeds. When they find it, they pay up to $20,000 for a single log. The stories were rampant in the 90s of how you could go to church and come home and your tree would be gone. Why the desperation? China had cultivated Paulownia for 3,000 years, but Japanese plantations had died off. They sought American Paulownia trees for a hefty price, which started a boom. The poaching crisis. 1993, Baltimore Sun documents log poaching rings across Virginia, Maryland, Tennessee. Sheriff's deputies ambushed in woods. Suspects caught with chainsaws covered in sawdust. A single fine-grain log, $3,000 for a tree Americans called a weed. Part 4. How America got it wrong. The plot twist that changed everything. The promise. 1991. University of Kentucky and Tennessee formed the American Paulownia Association. Early material calls it the tree of the future. Plantations form across the southeast. The UN FAO. The FAO just killed the Paulownia invasive species myth forever. This organization has been reporting regarding fast-growth species like Paulownia for restorative work. The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, founded in 1945, is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger. With 195 members, 194 countries in the European Union, FAO works in over 130 countries worldwide. They have conducted the trials and research with an army of scientists and released their findings. The report, International Commission on Poplars and Other Fast-Growing Trees, Sustaining People and the Environment, 27th session, dated October 2024, endorses the Paulownia tree worldwide. The mislabeling. Only one species, Paulownia tomentosa, was problematic, but the invasive label contaminated the entire genus. 12 U.S. states banned it based on one species. The public mind. All Paulownia equals invasive weed. The hidden truth. Paleontologist Charles Smiley found Paulownia leaf fossils in Oregon and Washington. The tree was growing on this continent millions of years before Europeans arrived. Calling it non-native was disputed science at best. The real motive. The American Forest and Paper Association represents an industry built on 40-year rotation cycles. A tree that reaches harvest in 5 years isn't a problem for homeowners. It's a structural threat to their business model. Part 5. The global success America missed. While Americans are left in the dark, the world has embraced it. Current global reality. Planted in 60-plus countries without ecological disaster. China, millions of acres in commercial production. Europe, growing adoption for lumber products and carbon credits. 17 million trees planted globally and thriving. The tree America ignored. Construction, fire-resistant siding and interior paneling. Furniture, premium, lightweight furniture. Green energy, biomass for renewable fuel production. Carbon credits, fast-growing trees for climate solutions. Agroforestry, intercropping with traditional crops. The economic reality. Domestic supply artificially constrained by regulations. Americans pay premium prices for imported Paulownia products. We grow it, ship it to Asia, then buy the finished products back. President Carter's wisdom. The former president actively promoted Paulownia elongata as a sustainable American crop, growing it on his own property. He told Washington it was both a climate solution and economic opportunity that American farmers were being blocked from accessing. Part 6. The opportunity hidden in plain sight. Here's what this means for you today. The reality check. Non-invasive hybrid Paulownia species can be planted legally in most states. You don't need 40 years. You need 5 to 10. Plant once, harvest multiple times from the same root system. The supply shortage created by suppression equals premium pricing opportunity. The applications. Building materials, siding, paneling, furniture-grade wood. Contaminated land, fast permanent phytoremediation, using plants to clean soil. Energy production, sustainable biomass for green fuel. Land restoration, grows on marginal land. The bigger picture. This is a tool in the right hands. Bioeconomy Solutions, BES, is pioneering the transition from extractive to regenerative industrial operations through the Guardian framework using this valuable tool. The Japanese knew what they were looking at in the 1970s. They paid $20,000 per log for timber during their own crisis. This is your call to action. 3,000 years of documented knowledge pointed to this tree. The seal of the Japanese government still bears its flower. The dowry chests that preserved treasures for centuries were carved from its wood. We called it a problem. Others call it the solution. But here's the thing, it's not too late. You can be a steward of change. Climate goals are creating demand. If you want to learn more about the species that are legal to plant, the markets that are developing, and the opportunities that exist, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Sometimes the biggest opportunities are hiding in plain sight, labeled as problems by people who profit from the status quo. Drop a comment below. Ask 10 people what they know about Paulownia. Tell us what you find. The Paulownia revolution is here now. The question is, will you be part of it? We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.